Want to earn free cash, shopping sprees, and top tech in the USA? Imagine getting rewarded just for doing things you already love, like shopping online, trying out new apps, or sharing your opinion. It's not a dream. It's real, and it's easier than you think. You're in the right place. Whether you're a student, a busy parent, or just looking for a little extra spending money, these opportunities are for everyone. I'm about to show you the best legit reward offers. Up to $1,000 in bonuses, including Zelle, Amazon, iPhone 15 Pro Max, Sephora, Target, and more. These are real rewards you can actually use, not just points that sit in your account. I've done the research and found the easiest, fastest ways for everyday people to score real rewards. No complicated sweepstakes, just real perks. You don't need any special skills or a huge following, just a few minutes in your phone or computer. We're talking direct cash, the latest gadgets, and shopping at your favorite stores without spending a dime. Imagine treating yourself or surprising someone you love, all thanks to these simple offers. I'll walk you through each offer step by step so you know exactly how to claim your reward. No guesswork, no confusion, just clear instructions and quick wins. This could be the most profitable 10 minutes of your year, so don't miss a second. Set aside a few minutes, follow along, and watch the rewards roll in. Let's dive in, starting with the biggest and fastest offer first. Get ready to change the way you earn, because easy money is just a few clicks away. First up, the $750 Zelle reward. This is the offer that's been making waves online, and for good reason. Imagine getting a huge cash boost just for completing a few simple steps from your phone or computer. This is pure cash, sent straight to your account, not points or gift cards. Actual money you can spend however you want, whether it's paying bills, treating yourself, or saving for something big. And it's the fastest offer on our list. You don't have to wait weeks or jump through endless hoops. The process is designed to be quick, easy, and totally user-friendly. Here's how it works. Click the link below, enter your email, and you're on your way. The sign-up is straightforward, with clear instructions at every step. The sign-up takes just minutes, so you can get started right away, even if you're on a break or relaxing at home. After signing up, you'll see a list of simple tasks, like trying a new app, exploring a service, or checking out a product. These are things you might already do online. Some tasks include signing up for a free trial, answering a quick survey, or downloading an app. You get to pick what works best for you. Pick the deals you like, complete the required number, and skip any that don't interest you. There's flexibility, so you're always in control. Track your progress in real time with a simple dashboard. You'll always know exactly how close you are to earning your reward. Once you're done, provide your Zelle info securely. Your privacy and security are a top priority, so your details are protected. And just like that, the $750 is sent directly to your bank. No waiting, no hassle, just a direct deposit you can use immediately. No hoops, no confusion, just real money. It's a straightforward way to boost your balance without any complicated steps. Thousands have already cashed in, sharing their stories and screenshots online. The buzz is real, and people are loving how easy it is. But spots fill up fast, and there's a limit to how many rewards can be given out each day. If you see this offer available, don't wait. Imagine waking up to $750 extra in your account. That's money you didn't have yesterday, ready to use however you want. This is as close to free money as it gets. No tricks, no hidden fees, just a simple way to earn extra cash from home. Don't wait, click the link, sign up, and start earning. The sooner you start, the sooner you can claim your reward. Remember, you choose the offers that interest you. There's something for everyone, so you can make this work for your schedule. Most people finish in a day or two. It's that easy. No long waits, just quick results. Act now before this popular offer closes. Once the spots are gone, you'll have to wait for the next round. Your $750 Zelle reward is just a few clicks away. Don't miss out on this chance to boost your bank balance. Get started now. Tech fans, this one's for you. Get a brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max for free by becoming a product reviewer. The company wants real feedback on Apple's latest phone, so they're giving select users the device to test and keep. Sign up using the link below, register your interest, and complete a few simple partner deals to qualify. Use the phone, share your honest review, and it's yours to keep. The process is straightforward, and you can pick deals that interest you. Demand is huge, so act fast if you want to upgrade your tech for free. Don't miss your shot at this life-changing reward. Click the link, sign up, and you could be unboxing your new iPhone soon. Beauty lovers, imagine a $750 Sephora shopping spree, no limits, all your favorite brands. Picture yourself walking through the aisles, picking up the latest makeup, skincare, and fragrances without worrying about the price tag. It's like a dream come true for any beauty enthusiast. Sign up with the link below, enter your info, and complete a few sponsored deals to unlock your gift card. It's a simple process that takes just a few minutes, and you'll be on your way to a luxurious shopping experience. Choose the offers you like, maybe a free trial or a new app, and track your progress. Each offer you complete brings you one step closer to your $750 Sephora gift card. Most people finish in just a few days. It's quick and easy, and before you know it, you'll have your gift card in hand. Once you qualify, you get to splurge on anything at Sephora. Makeup, skincare, fragrance, you name it. Imagine the joy of picking out your favorite products without any financial stress. This is your chance to treat yourself without spending your own money. Indulge in high-end beauty products and pamper yourself like never before. These offers are limited, so don't wait. Act now to secure your spot and start your journey towards a fabulous Sephora shopping spree. Click the link, sign up, and start your journey to a $750 Sephora haul. It's easy, it's fun, and it's a fantastic opportunity you don't want to miss. Restock your beauty bag or try something new. Your dream shopping spree is just a few steps away. Go glow up and enjoy the ultimate beauty shopping experience. Want $750 to spend on Skims? Here's your chance to shop Kim Kardashian's iconic loungewear and shapewear for free. Click the link, sign up, and complete a few simple online deals, like trying new apps or surveys. Pick the tasks you like, watch your progress bar fill, and unlock your Skims shopping spree. With $750, you can revamp your wardrobe with the most popular pieces. It's easy, fast, and the perfect way to get celebrity style without the price tag. Don't miss out. These offers go fast. Sign up now and start earning your way to a brand new Skims collection. Elevate your style today. Love shopping on Amazon? Get paid $750 to review products you already use. Companies need real feedback, and you get to test new items. Sometimes you even keep them. Sign up with the link, fill out your profile, and complete a few sponsored deals to qualify. Choose from tasks like trying apps or surveys and track your progress. Once you're eligible, you'll receive your $750 bonus. It's the perfect side hustle for anyone who loves discovering new products. Spots are limited, so act quickly. Turn your Amazon habit into cash. Sign up now. Don't miss this easy way to boost your income. UK viewers, this one's for you, a £750 Shine shopping spree. Click the special UK link, sign up, and complete a few simple online tasks to unlock your reward. Fill your cart with the latest trends, from dresses to accessories, all for free. The process is quick and user-friendly. Choose the deals you like, track your progress, and claim your Shein gift card. These regional offers are super popular and don't last long. Refresh your wardrobe and step out in style. Sign up now and start your Shein haul today. Want a $1,000 e-bike for free? Here's your chance to ride in style, get fit, and go green. Sign up with the link, enter your info, and complete a few sponsored deals, like trying new services or games. Each task gets you closer to your new e-bike. It's a fun, practical reward that saves you money and helps the planet. The process is simple and only takes a few minutes to start. Demand is high, so don't wait. Click the link, sign up, and start earning your way to a brand new e-bike. Pedal into a new lifestyle today. Ready for the biggest reward? Get a $1,000 cash deposit, no strings attached. Click the link, register in seconds, and complete a few sponsored deals to qualify. Choose from offers like trying new products or services. Track your progress easily and see how close you are to your $1,000. This is one of the highest paying cash offers online. Use the money however you want. Pay bills, save, or treat yourself. It's a life-changing amount for many people. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Sign up now and start working toward your $1,000 payday. The sooner you start, the sooner you get paid. Want $750 cash and a chance to earn even more? This offer gives you $750 for qualifying, plus $250 for every friend you refer who also qualifies. Sign up, complete the required deals, and claim your $750. Then, Share your unique referral link. Each successful friend earns you another $250. There's no limit to how much you can make. It's a proven system and thousands have already cashed in. If you have friends or a social following, this is a goldmine. Don't miss out on stacking those bonuses. Click the link, get your $750, and start sharing to boost your earnings. The more you share, the more you earn. Start now and watch your rewards grow. Looking for real work with extra bonuses? We've partnered with a platform offering cleaning jobs across the USA, with sign-on and performance rewards. Browse thousands of jobs, set your schedule, and earn steady income. Many companies offer sign-on bonuses worth hundreds, plus extra rewards for top-rated work. Create a profile, find jobs in your area, and start earning right away. It's a practical way to make money and get rewarded for quality work. Perfect for anyone needing reliable income or a flexible side hustle. Click the link to explore cleaning jobs and bonus opportunities near you. Take control of your earnings today. These are the top trending USA reward offers: cash shopping sprees, free gadgets, and more. All legit, all easy to claim if you act fast. Don't let these limited time offers pass you by. Spots fill up quickly. Check the links in the description. Pick your favorite and sign up now. Take action and get rewarded. Don't just watch, make it happen. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more money-making tips. Now go claim your free rewards.